Hi, I'm Jeff Franklin at FC Tucker Realtors, jeffsells.com. Today we're in the Bryan Park area. We're going to tour 1163 Weatherstone Lane. Let's take a look. I love this open great room. There are heirloom touches like a marble fireplace, plus access to the kitchen entertaining area. I love this circular floor plan. It's great with a formal dining room and a great kitchen prep space. Natural cherry cabinetry. It's very pretty. We're close to campus here in this beautiful home that's nestled in mature trees. I love the screen patio. It's perfect for a day like today. This home has a total of 4 bedrooms. The primary suite's on the main level with suite and walk-in closet. There's an upper level suite as well. This home design takes use of the natural light and has a wonderful shared light across the catwalk. I love the dormer spaces in this home. This is a secondary suite on the upper level, has great window space and great bathroom access. This home on Weatherstone has deeded access to the neighborhood pool. Thank you for touring Weatherstone. Again, I'm Jeff Franklin at FC Tuckers, jeffsells.com for additional information.